Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Bona hard surface floor spray mop. I chose this because this is significantly cheaper than the Libman spray mop, and they kind of look the same. So I got this from Walmart. Let's check out how it looks like. So this kit includes the Bona spray mop, a Bona hard surface floor cleaner, Bona microfiber cleaning pad, and a Bona heavy duty disposable cleaning pad. So this is how it looks like. And there is like this is the bonus. So open this up. This is the cleaning pad. It's pretty wide. And this is the mop. The handle. There's this spot on here. And then there is a coupon for your next purchase. $55 off for your next purchase. So, and this is the spray handle. There's another coupon here, disposable floor pads coupon. So as you can see, this is where you're supposed to attach the this thing. It's like a Velcro attachment, so you could just remove it for like to wash in the washer. I think it says in the description that you can wash this 500 times, so we would have to test that. And then the last piece would be this Bona spray cleaner. There's the directions. It says you remove cap, click in, refill, remove nozzle, refill and replace nozzle. So you might be able to use, if you run out of this liquid, you can try to reuse other liquid like Pine Sol. I'm not sure, but let's see here. So there's a caution here. It says use as directed. This product is for use in ceramic tile with sealed grout lines, sealed granite and other stones, laminate and vinyl flooring. So there you go. So let's check out the product. I'm going to assemble the product right now. So check the box. So here's the directions. It says here, spray, clean your Bona spray mop, refill with your favorite Bona cleaner, and wash your reusable Bona microfiber pad. After use, can be washed up to 500 times. So yes, that's what I'm saying. So this is how it looks like. There's the handle. You're supposed to squeeze it. There's the Bona liquid, and then the head, and then vertical locking mop head for convenient storage. So they're featuring their products here. Okay, so let's assemble this product. Looks like it's fairly easy to remember here. Let me see. So I'm going to remove this piece. It says remove this piece. And just snap this right in, like so. Yeah, just snaps. There you go. And touch the handle. So there is like a lock over here. Let's see. There you go. So that's how you attach that. And now, almost done. Now we're gonna attach this mop head. So just do it like this. And this is pretty heavy now that the liquid is, so there we go. So you have to wait for that clicking. So as you can see, it swivels. That's the swivel capability. You could do front, back, and sideways. It's pretty flexible, and then it locks in place for storage like this. So let's try to, I'm just gonna try the bottom right now. Let me just check this bottom here. So this is how you remove it. So, let me see if I have to remove this thing on the top. No. Okay. Let's snap this back in. There you go. And I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm gonna squeeze this bottom and see if it sprays. Oh, yes, it did spray. I just sprayed it on my window. So let's try to spray it on the floor. So we're just gonna do a quick testing so you'll see how it works. It's a little bit dark, but you can see the spritz. That is really nice. Sprays. So that is how our spray mop looks like, and I like how easy it is to mop now. You don't have to be doing that squeezing thing for mopping. You just have to, let's see if it's dirty. There you go. So that is our video for today. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.